Okay, Ford Ranger with a noise in the gearbox or the clutch after a new clutch has been fitted. Okay, this noise will go away if the clutch is put right to the floor. Okay, but first of all let's have a listen to the noise that this is making. Okay, so the first thing to do just to confirm this is with the vehicle running without your foot on the clutch, just grab the gear selector and just push it towards third gear. Obviously you're not going to shove it in, but if the noise starts to go away as you push it towards third gear, then your problem is to do with the clutch plate, and these are an aftermarket clutch plate that have issues. Okay, so all we did was pulled out the one we had fitted and fitted another new one of a different brand, and the noise went away. Okay, but we have been told that this is quite a common issue with the aftermarket clutch plates. Okay, so yeah, unfortunately it's gearbox out. Don't fit the same brand of clutch. Try and source a better brand, and that will get rid of your noise. Okay, I hope this helps you out today. Don't forget to click like and subscribe for more real tips from real mechanics, and we will see you in the next video.